Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Welcome to an exciting day of math. Miss
Oh.
Lestico, what's our target today?
Our target today says I can solve start unknown word problems.
We've been solving a lot of problems lately. We've been doing our result unknown, our change unknown.
Oh, we've talked about the start or the first part of our word problem pretty much in every single word problem we've solved. So if we have the start unknown, that probably means that our mystery word sum will be at the beginning of our problem.
That's right. And you know what? I think today we're just going to focus on our addition word problems, and we're going to see if we can figure out how they're supposed to start. Okay, let's take a look at our first problem. It says Sharon has some flowers. She gets 5 from her mom. Now she has 17. How many flowers did she start with? Okay, she has some flowers.
Well, Miss Lime, is sum a number?
It's not. I'm going to pick my box because I don't know what number sum is. And remember, that was my question. How many does she start with? So that is what I'm looking for. Then it says she gets 5. Well, if you're getting them, you're adding that to what you already have. So I'm going to say plus 5. Now she has 17. So I'm going to say equals 17 because that's how many that she has now in total. Okay, so I'm going to solve this using my part-whole math, okay? But I don't know how many she started with. I don't have that first number. But that's okay. I do have my second part. She had 5 that she got from her mom. So I'm going to build 5 in my second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 5. Now it says all together she had 17. So I'm not going to add 17 more because it's not 5 plus 17. I know that I need 17 in total, 17 in my whole box. So I'm going to bring these 5 down, and I'm going to add more counters until I get to a total of 17. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we're just going to pretend this red guy's orange. I have 17 total, but I'm not done yet. I still need to determine, well, then how many did she start with? These are the 5 that her mom gave her. This is the 17 that she has all together. But this new color that I just added is what she started with. So I can look at it and I can see that she started with 12 flowers.
All right, let's go ahead and get started on our next word problem. It says, Dan bought some cookies. Then he bought 3 more. Now he has 11 cookies. How many cookies did he buy? Well, I'm going to use the strategy of the 10 frames. But remember, when we have more than 10, you might need 2 10 frames in order to help you fill out this problem. So I'm going to build my equation. I'm starting with the sum cookies that he bought, but we don't know how many sum is, so I have to put my mystery box because this is what I'm trying to solve for. And it says then he bought 3 more. Now more means that I have to add because I'm going to be getting a bigger number, and so I'm adding 3 cookies because he bought more. And it says now he has 11 cookies. So in total, he should have 11 cookies. My question is, how many cookies did he buy? So I'm looking for the start of my problem. So let's see. I know that at some point, he buys 3 cookies. So I'm going to put my 3 cookies that he buys. And then I know at the very end of my problem, he needs to have 11 cookies. So if I count up to 11, I should be able to tell how many cookies he had at the beginning. So I'm going to count 1. I already have 3, so I'm going to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I didn't start counting with my orange at 1. I had to remember he already had 3 cookies because he bought more. And my total number should be 11 at the end of my problem. So I have 11 cookies here now, and I can clearly see how many he had at the beginning by counting my orange dots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he should have started with 8 cookies, and then he bought 3 more to make 11.
It's your turn.
On Seesaw, you're going to have a start unknown word problem to solve and a few strategies that you can use to help you solve it.
Make sure that you set your number sentence up. We want to see, and your teachers want to see, where your mystery box is so we know what you're solving for.
And when you're done, don't forget to click the green check mark at the corner.
Have a good weekend!